Guys, today I'm showing you how I created my fire look for spoopy season. It's Halloween, y'all. Starting with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, just putting it in the normal places under the eyes, along the nose, on the chin, and all over my acne. Now I'm taking the Shape Tape foundation, basically putting it in the spots where I don't have concealer and then blending them together. Since I'm going for a very pale look, I am going to be taking NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in a lighter shade and just putting it over top of what I have. As always, using Dip Brow on my eyebrows, just going to brush them out. And the easiest way I explain my eyebrows is you essentially draw a line underneath, blend it upward, and then draw a line above, blend them in together, and fill it in. And that's really how I do my brows, in a nutshell. I'm all for dramatic with this look. I'm taking a really dark shade and putting it over top of my brows to darken them. Coming back to Shape Tape, really just going to put this all over my eyelid up to the brow so I can prepare for the shadow. For the eyeshadow, I'll be using NYX Ultimate Brights palette, first taking the yellow and really packing it into the corner of the eye. I could have probably gone with a larger brush, but I wanted a smaller one for the detail work in the corner. Same palette, just taking the orange shade and blending it into the yellow over the middle of the eye. Now I'm taking the red shade and putting it on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm really only worrying about my eyelid right now because I'll be doing the top part later, but I'm blending this red into the orange and yellow color. Now I'm taking a small detail brush and creating the outline in the red shade and blending it in with the larger brush. So essentially right now I'm creating two kind of like bubbles right underneath my eyebrow to make that fire effect, and now is the tricky part because it's the little tail ends of the fire, so you really want them to actually look like a flame. You want some wave in there, but you don't want to go too crazy or it looks really strange. Now I'm taking Kat Von D's Saint and Sinner palette in the shade of Sabbath and outlining what I just did in the red with the little detail brush. Here I'm using NYX That's the Point eyeliner. It's very fine tip, so it's great for detail work, and basically just going over exactly what I did again, but with eyeliner, so it's darker and more precise, and then giving myself normal eyeliner with a very minimal wing. Taking Kat Von D's Studded Kiss lipstick in the shade of Nayeon and putting it all over my lips. Kat Von D's Shade and Light Contour, baby. Doing cheekbones, doing forehead, doing the nose. You know it. Now Kat Von D's Metal Crush for highlight, using this orange shade. My cheeks, on my nose, really getting in there. I want to be shimmery, looking like I'm a blaze. Pretty heavy on the blush with the Morphe blush palette. I want to look like I'm on fire. Demi Wispies from Ardell. Then using just a dab of NYX Metals lip gloss right on the inside of my lip and blending it out. And some quick mascara to cover my natural lashes. So now that my makeup is all finished and pretty, I'm going to smother myself in blood because what makeup look would not be complete without blood tears. As a forewarning, this stuff is really messy and it takes forever to make these look real. So I ended up having to kind of blend them in with each other and just pour a bunch of fake blood all over my face. But it's okay. This bitch is done. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like this look. Please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.